We're here with Brandon from V3 Gaming Wallet. How are you today?
Very good. Thanks for having me.
Good. I'm great. So tell me how it's going so far at the conference.
So I've been to a lot of conferences here in Dubai, and I'm very impressed with the Worldblockchainsummit. Made a lot of good connections, good booths, good venues. Seems like a very good turnout.
So since you've been to so many events, why is that? Are they particularly interesting? Do you learn a lot?
Yeah, Dubai's kind of got that name for a global hub for the crypto scene, and I'm based out of Miami and just kind of doing a global networking. So just trying to reach out as much as I can.
And tell us about V3 and its mission.
So V3 is essentially a gamified MetaMask. We're a non-custodial wallet focused on simplifying the gamer's experience with managing tokenized game assets. Because right now the current infrastructure is very clunky, hard to use, and so it doesn't prioritize the gamer's perspective. So
is it more focused on UI and UX then?
Yeah, exactly. UI, UX design, something that is much more user-friendly and easy to onboard, and allow these gamers to have a much seamless experience when it comes to Web3 gaming.
What were the issues that you were trying to solve, or the challenges that you were trying to fix?
Yeah, well, with current infrastructure like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom Wallet, the UI interface doesn't prioritize like the assets as gamers are switching from game to game. So what we're doing is essentially realizing which game they're playing and then prioritizing and displaying those items directly with just one click of the button. So.
Oh, I see. So do you partner with specific games?
Yeah, so games, if they want to partner and allow their fan base or player base to connect to their platform using our wallet, they can get more exposure that way. But then also we target the gamers themselves because, they can use one wallet between all these games as just a much more easy experience.
Yeah, instead of having like a million different sign-ins everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. And so tell me a bit then about the gaming ecosystem going on right now in Web3 games. Is there one that you particularly like? Are you a big gamer yourself?
Always been a big gamer.
Yeah.
That's kind of, why I've two things I really enjoy, gaming and blockchain. So I kind of combine the both and to solve a real world problem. And, I'm really excited for the tokenization of the gaming industry because you've got like a $235 billion industry and less than 2% of that's tokenized. So there's a lot of room for growth. We're really just positioning ourselves to, hit that wave.
And what do you think needs to be done to get more traditional gamers into Web3 gaming?
Yeah, so game developers are really struggling to incentivize tokenization and transition into Web3, really because they're kind of worried about the experience of their players. And so by prioritizing the UI, UX for the players, I think that's going to make the game developers a lot more incentivized to want to tokenize.
Right, because they focus more on just making like a fun game that plus added bonus has tokenomics and finance mechanics.
Yeah, so we can relieve a lot of the development pressure by doing the wallet infrastructure, and they can just focus on developing a fun game that now they can be ensured that their players are going to have a much better experience.
Right. Yep. Okay, I see. And then are there any other trends that maybe you've heard about today or at other conferences recently, or projects that you're particularly interested in or excited about?
Yeah, I mean, every day and every conference I go to, I get introduced to new games that are tokenizing. There's a lot of rumors out there. I'm not trying to start any more rumors, but large players in the gaming space are kind of eyeing tokenization.
Yeah.
There's a rumor that GTA 6 might be doing some tokenization. So.
Oh, but didn't they ban NFTs?
Well, I mean, they might be just setting themselves up for a big release. So, I mean, rumors are rumors, so you never really know.
We'll see.
But the point is a lot of these big players haven't tokenized yet. And I see it's being inevitable because if they don't, then these smaller game developers are going to be able to reward their players more.
Right.
And the larger ones are going to lose grasp of that, essentially monopoly they have on the gaming industry.
Yeah, I don't think they want that.
Yeah. As a gamer, I would much rather play a game that I get financially rewarded for and is still fun than one that I don't.
All right. Anything else you wanted to add, maybe about Dubai or about something about the conference?
Yeah, if you're in the crypto space and you haven't gone to Dubai, I would highly suggest it. Being from Miami, it's a big Web3, scene and engagement there as well. I had high expectations for Dubai, but it just blew through the roof on it all. So I'm excited to make my way back here.
All right, love it.
Yep.
Thank you, Brandon.
Thank you.
Bye.